Welcome to Crypto for Seniors, where technology meets wisdom and curiosity evolves into knowledge. Today's video is not clickbait, it is however my personal experience using NiceHash easy mining option for the last few years. What is it all about? How does it operate? Is it a legitimate platform, or does it border on a legal betting platform? Quickly, I wanted to remind you this information is for entertainment only. I am not a licensed financial planner. Please do your own research. Now back to NiceHash. The premise of NiceHash easy mining is you are simply using their mining power and equipment to place specific orders to earn the rewards from hitting a block. This is based on 1. The price you want to pay for that service, and 2. The crypto token you hope to catch a block from, and 3. The odds of hitting part or all of the block based on how many others are in a team buy. My outcome from a total of 14 purchases of different buy-in amounts is I got a total of 3 blocks. 2 block were from Raven Coin, where I earned around 2750 RVN, worth around $63. The last one was a team buy of 6.37 per unit, and I bought 2 units and got around $225 of Bitcoin cash. Money-wise, I am about even, however, now I have my investment paid off from the Bitcoin cash. I moved into Bitcoin and 5,500 Raven Coin I'm still holding, so here's my justification for this video not being clickbait. Why is this any different than sitting at a slot machine and pulling the handle? The winning is out of your control. The method of how much you put in on that pull is no different than the units I purchased to join the team buy. This is all about luck, if that is something you believe in. And NiceHash shows you the outcome percentages of you hitting a block. Now, I am not dogging on NiceHash. I actually enjoy running 1 round of buying hash power from them an evening. Why then isn't this just like picking up a lottery ticket on the way home from work? So this is why I chose the title of the video. Personally, I would much rather a few evenings a week to put in a hash power buy than stop to get a lottery ticket. NiceHash has better odds in my opinion, and it is fun to watch. So now you want to know a little more about how to join NiceHash and have a little fun yourself. Well, he is a quick rundown how to join them and what you need to do. Navigate over to NiceHash at nicehash.com and join the site by putting in some information. You will need to tell them where to distribute your block if you win, so know the right deposit address. You can transfer some Bitcoin from your cold wallet to NiceHash wallet they will use to accept your order. It must be in Bitcoin for any of these hash power purchases. Confirm enough time has gone by since you sent your Bitcoin to the NiceHash wallet. Okay, this is not financial advice, this is simply an overview of how to easy mine. Go to the easy mining page and review the options available. Notice the projected percentage of winning the block, the amount you will pay, and if you hit is an estimate of your winnings. Click Add if you are buying more than 1 unit and submit your order. That's it. It really is just that easy. Thanks to uslegal.com for providing this review about illegal betting. Gambling is accepting, recording, or registering bets, or carrying on a policy game or any other lottery, or playing any game of chance for money or other thing of value. Title 18 U.S.C. 1955 makes it a federal crime or offense for anyone to conduct an illegal gambling business. So now we have come full circle back to my question, is NiceHash basically legal betting? Please let me know in the comments below what your opinion is of NiceHash, and if you have ever tried their easy mining option along with how you did. Our hope is that our content aids in your journey into the world of cryptocurrency. If you find our content useful, then we would love for you to show your appreciation. You can do this by liking our videos, subscribing to our channel, and sharing our content with others who might find it useful. Your support is what fuels us to continue to provide current and relative information. Remember, Crypto for Seniors is more than just a learning platform, it's a community that flourishes together. We're here to lend a hand as we navigate the often intimidating world of cryptocurrency and the misinformation about crypto. So, let's continue this journey together. Please take care of yourself and others around you.